If you are using your M1 Mac Mini for quite some time and you haven't cleared the cache files from it, it can get little slow. The Mac collects cache files while using various apps and browsing. It can be little tricky to clear the cache files from the Mac. But don't worry, in this video we will show you how you can completely clear the cache files from M1 Mac Mini running on macOS Big Sur. Let's check it out. Open Finder, click Go on the top menu, click Go Folder, click ~library, click Go to Caches folder. Now select all the files in the folder and move them to trash. It will clear the caches, but it is not all of them. To delete all the cache files from the Mac Mini, you need to delete them from the device drive. If you can't see the device drive, click on Finder, click Preferences, check Hard Disk. Now go to Sidebar and check Hard Disk. You will see your hard disk. Go to Library, select Caches. Now select all the files and move them to trash. And all the cache files will be in the trash. Right click on the trash, click Empty Trash. Again click Empty Trash. And all the cache files will be deleted from your Mac Mini. This is the way you can completely erase cache files on the M1 Mac Mini. Thanks for staying with us. Like, share and let us know your opinions or ask anything you want to know on the topic in the comment box. Thank you.